So I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a prank virus, and this virus won't do anything, but it'll scare some people, so that's always funny. So I'm just going to type out the code, and I'll tell you what it means. Okay. Okay, so you're gonna have to type this out. You always have to type out x equals MSG plus box, and then quote in parentheses. And right here, virus activated abort. That just shows the message that's gonna appear for them. The number 1 shows the options that they can click, and I'll leave it a link in the description that shows what the numbers mean, or like the code for what buttons it'll activate. So the number 1 just picks the options that they're gonna click. So it's gonna be like, you can click OK, you can click abort, you can click retry. 48 just shows the sign right next to it, which is gonna be like a warning sign, an information sign. And window defenders is just gonna be the name that's gonna pop up. So we're gonna go file, save as. You can type any name you want, and then you just have to hit .vbs because that's the script. So YouTube test.vbs, save, exit, menu file, double click, and see it says Windows Defender. That's the name, virus activated, abort, and then that'll just end the script. What you can do is you can double click it or right click it, I guess, and then you can just make the file super long, so you can go x equals msg box. Oh wow. And then you can just keep going forever and ever until you go out. You just gotta save it every time, obviously, and it can be really funny. Don't save. Like virus. This is the one that I made earlier. I just made it super long. Alright, well that's it pretty much. Yeah.